Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or any another iOS device and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings first, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys after this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general, and guys click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to go back and scroll it down, click on software update. And guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, that is iOS 17.1. And guys after doing this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your cellular data smoothly on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.